guys, what is up? So I've been traveling so much lately and I really wanted to do a video for you guys just with some travel tips, some life hacks, a little bit of everything. Again, if you didn't know, I recently went to Bora Bora with Tart and it was seriously like such an amazing trip. So I'm gonna put my vlogs linked in the description. You guys can watch those. So if you're watching this for the first time and you have no idea who I am, or if you just haven't hit that subscribe button yet, you totally should. Don't forget to also hit the bell and sign up for all notifications and all that fun stuff. Shameless self promo, just like throwing it out there. Yeah, you should definitely subscribe. Also, this camera's getting really heavy, so I'm gonna go. Okay, enjoy the video, bye! Okay, so first things first, I really recommend looking up a last minute packing list or kind of like a checklist, so that way when you're packing you can just go down it and not forget anything, because I think we can all agree the worst thing ever is when you are on a trip and you realize that you left something really important at home. So that's why I really recommend doing that first to make your life a little easier. So the second life hack is actually a really cool one. This is for when you're packing your razor. Obviously there's really no containers that we put them in, but if you just take a binder clip, it fits perfectly on it. So that way you can throw it in your bag. You don't have to worry about accidentally cutting yourself or anything like that. And you can just be stress-free, throwing it in your bag and you're good. Are you ready to be freaking mind blown? I do this all the time and this is amazing. Okay, so if you have a portable charger, this is actually a really good tip if you are on a road trip or something like that. You can actually charge your portable chargers in your car. I feel like a lot of people don't really think about it just because they're used to only charging their phones in their car, but you can actually charge a lot of things. So if you're ever on a long road trip and you need a portable charger, totally just charge it while you're driving and then you're gonna be good for whenever you get to whatever destination you're going to. Yeah, kind of mind-blowing. Okay, you guys, I am actually mind blown by this. This is gonna save me just so much time and money, honestly. So if you have a little small travel toothpaste container like this, all you really need to do is you just refill it with a larger toothpaste. So as you can see, I'm just literally squeezing the toothpaste from the big one into the small one and it works. It's not even that messy. Like, it was so easy to do and I loved it, so it's awesome. And life hack number 5 is one that I literally use all the time. So I've seen it around a lot. You may already know it, but I use it all the time. It's amazing. So basically when you're getting ready and you need to run out the door, a lot of times your hair tools are still hot because you just got ready. I'm always running late, so this is why I love it so much. So that way you can just put your hair tool in a oven mitt or a pot holder or something like that. And that way you can pack it while it's still hot and run out the door and you're good. The next tip I have for you guys is to just use every inch of space in your suitcase, and that includes putting things inside of your shoes. A lot of times I usually put, whether it's socks, underwear, sunglasses, jewelry, it could be anything. And that way you're just saving a lot of space and it helps a lot. So I really recommend that. The next life hack I have for you guys is a very common one, but I swear by this so much, so I really recommend doing it. When you're packing your shoes, usually the bottom of your shoes are pretty dirty, and you definitely do not want your clothes getting dirty from that. So just buy some really inexpensive shower caps like this. That way you can pack your shoes and your clothes stay clean and nothing gets dirty. This next life hack is perfect for like your carry-on or your backpack. If you have a lot of just random cords, chargers and stuff, it's actually really handy just to kind of keep them in an empty sunglasses case, or any case for that matter, but just keeping everything together. One, it saves the cords so they'll last longer, they won't get bent and stuff, and then that way you know where they are at all times, and that way you're never looking for your charger. Planning out your clothes before you go on your trip is such a huge tip, and this is annoying because even I need to do it sometimes. It's so much easier just to throw a whole bunch of stuff in your suitcase and figure it out later, but if you actually plan it out beforehand, it's so much easier. It makes your trip easier, it makes packing easier, you'll save space, and then it'll be so much easier just getting ready. How many more times can I say it's easier? But yes, just do it. It works, I promise. Did you like it? Did you like it? Oh my, can I set this right here? I'm gonna set this right here. Hopefully the next time you travel, things are a little smoother just because you got some bomb life hacks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to hit that bell, subscribe, watch the vlog channel, and I will see you guys next week with a new video.